Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Time Flies. So in this channel I'm going to teach you any topic which you feel difficult. So for this write it in comment box and tell me which topic you feel so difficult. So today I'm going to tell you about direct and indirect speech, which is very important topic of English grammar. So before this, Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim, starting with the compassionate name of Allah, who is the most gracious and sublime. So the topic which I am going to teach you is direct and indirect speech. Let us see some of the objectives that by the end of the lesson you will be able to understand the difference between direct and indirect speech. You will be able to apply this knowledge in your writing. You will accurately punctuate direct and indirect speech, and you will be able to know when and how to change pronouns and verb tenses in indirect speech. So let's begin. So first of all, before going towards direct and indirect speech, you should know that there are two ways to convey a message of a person or the words spoken by a person to another person. First is direct speech and second is indirect speech. Suppose your friend whose name is Ishal tells you in school that I will give you a pen. Now you come to home and you want to tell the same thing to your brother or any other friend or family member. So there are two ways to tell him. First is direct speech, in which you will say that Ishal said I will give you a pen. And second is indirect speech, in which you will say that Ishal said that she would give me a pen. So now we will discuss these speeches in detail. So number first came direct speech. Direct, or also known as quoted speech, involves quoting the exact words uttered by a person within inverted commas or quotation marks. For example, on 20th January 2021, Maimuna said, I will be coming home tonight. Now, whatever Maimuna said to me, I have quoted it in exact words and uttered by Maimuna. I made no changes in what she said. So this came in direct speech. So number second came indirect speech. Indirect, or also known as reported speech, is on the other hand inverse of direct speech. It does not have to be within inverted commas or reported word to word. In fact, one is relying the exact word spoken. One should never use quotation marks. In indirect speech, we made a little bit changes on what the person has uttered. We does not quote exact to word quotation. For example, 20th January, Maimuna said that she would be coming home that night. Now, whatever Maimuna said to me, I made a little bit changes in that and conveyed that message to another person. So this came in indirect speech. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll learn about how to change direct to indirect. So take care everyone and bye bye.